Welcome to this video tutorial for Access Nevada. In this video, we'll be showing you the SEA functionality for the Post-School Outcomes Survey module. What is displayed on your screen will depend on the roles and permissions you have been assigned, and your experience may be different from what is shown in this video. After logging into Access Nevada, you will be directed to the system dashboard. In the upper right corner of your screen, the selected LEA and the school year are displayed. Throughout the Access Nevada system, the terms district and LEA are used interchangeably to refer to a school district or local education agency. By default, the system will be set to the Nevada Department of Education and the current school year. To change the LEA or school year, click in the fields found in the upper right corner of the screen near your username. Drop-down menus display, allowing you to select the appropriate options. From the left navigation menu, click on Post-School Outcomes Survey to expand your options, then click State Tracking. Note, choosing an LEA from the field will not alter the state tracking data displayed. Data Export and Status Export buttons will appear on the far left side of the page above a data table. Clicking the Data Export button generates a spreadsheet containing all of the individual survey data for post-school outcome surveys. Clicking the Status Export button generates a document that reflects the data displayed in the tracking table below the buttons. The post-school outcome state tracking for the selected school year will display in a table with the following headers: District, Status, Not Started, In Progress, Completed, Total, Response Rate, Actions. You can organize the state tracking table in a variety of ways. Click in the column headers to reveal a sort arrow, and use the filter icon located next to the column headers to filter which data are displayed. Select Clear to reset the table and show all data. Clicking the Quick Access menu in the Actions column will display the following options for each LEA. Export Data exports the LEA's survey data into an Excel spreadsheet. Reset Status resets the LEA's survey status back to Not Started. Lock Collection will lock the data collection for the associated LEA. Unlock Collection allows an SEA user to unlock the collection for the associated LEA after the survey close date. Clicking a hyperlinked LEA name in the district column will redirect you to that LEA's district dashboard. You can also access the Post-School Outcomes Survey district dashboard by clicking on Post-School Outcomes Survey in the left navigation pane and then clicking District Dashboard. In this section of the video, we will specifically show how NDE users will verify the statewide student list and lock it for survey administration. For more information on other functionality of the Post-School Outcomes District Dashboard, refer to the PSOS District Training video or the corresponding detailed user guide. In the fields at the top right of the page, make sure Nevada Department of Education is selected in the LEA dropdown and the appropriate school year is selected in the school year field. In the District Dashboard heading, a box on the right side of the heading displays the exit year, school collection year, and reporting year for confirmation. Below the District Dashboard heading, you can see information about who the student list was verified by and the date it was verified on. If the student list has not yet been verified, on the left the Verified By field will display Not Yet Approved, while the Verified On will be blank, and a Verify Student List button will be on the right. To the right of the verification information is a Verify Student List button. To verify the statewide student list, click on the Verify Student List button. A pop-up will open asking if you are sure you want to mark the student list as approved. Clicking Continue will verify the student list and lock it, and LEAs will no longer be able to make edits to their student list. Clicking Cancel will close the pop-up and leave the list editable. After clicking Continue, a modal will flash at the bottom of the screen telling you the verification was successful. The Verified By field will display the username of the person who approved the student list, and the Verified On will display the date the list was approved. The Verify Student List button will be hidden. To access the vendor dashboard, use the left navigation menu and click the Post-School Outcome Survey, then click Vendor Dashboard. For more information on vendor dashboard functionality, refer to the vendor training video or the corresponding detailed user guide. To access the Collection Manager, use the left navigation menu, click on Post-School Outcomes Survey, then click Collection Manager. Make sure the appropriate school year you wish to view is selected in the fields at the top right of the page. The Post-School Outcomes Survey Collection Manager will display with the following sections: Survey Instrument Status, Collection Dates, Indicator Targets, Email Templates, Current Open Collection, Calculate Reports. The Survey Instrument Status section displays approval information. Click the Survey Manager button to be redirected to the Survey Manager and view the Post-School Outcomes Survey for the selected year. The Collection Dates section displays read-only relevant dates associated with the selected survey. Click the Edit button to make adjustments to the information. The Indicator Target section displays relevant indicator information for category A, B, and C targets. Click the Edit button to adjust the target value. The Email Templates section displays a table of system-generated emails associated with the survey. Column headers include the following: name, subject, last updated, active, actions. Click in the column headers to reveal a sort arrow that allows you to reorder the table display. Click the Edit button associated with an email template to make changes. You have the option to send yourself a test message by clicking the corresponding button. Click Save when changes are complete. Clicking the Dry Run button opens a read-only pop-up that displays how many emails will be sent out. Click the Close button after viewing. The Current Open Data Collection section displays a table of surveys which are currently open. Column headers include school year, survey open date, survey close date. The open and close dates can be edited in the Collection Dates section above. The Calculate Reports section provides a Calculate Reports button. Clicking the button will display a pop-up box notifying you when the reports have been calculated. Updated reports will be viewable on the Post-School Outcomes Survey Reports page. To access the Student List Manager, use the left navigation menu and click the Post-School Outcomes Survey, then click Student List Manager. For more information on Student List Manager functionality, refer to the district training video or the corresponding detailed user guide. To access the Survey Manager, use the left navigation menu to click on Post-School Outcomes Survey, then click Survey Manager. After landing on the Survey Manager, you will see buttons to create a survey or copy a survey from a previous year. Clicking Create a Survey will allow you to begin a new blank survey. Clicking Copy a Survey from a prior year will make an exact duplicate of the previous year's created survey, including all questions, answers, response types, and skip patterns. Note that you will copy a survey from the previous year and make no changes unless the Post-School Outcome Survey has been revised. For more detailed information on creating, editing, and rearranging survey sections and questions, refer to the Survey Manager section of the Post-School Outcomes Survey SEA User Guide. From the left navigation menu, click on Post-School Outcomes Survey to expand your options, then click Reports to view survey results. Note that selecting Nevada Department of Education from the LEA field at the top right of the page will allow you to view statewide data, while selecting a specific LEA will allow you to view data for the specific district. Below the header, definitions for Indicator 14 data collection terms are provided. This definition section may be collapsed by clicking the caret in the top right corner of the section. Below the definitions, information about Indicator 14 data points can be found by clicking on the corresponding tab headings. The following headings are available: Measure A, Measure B, Measure C, Post-School Categories, Filterable Trend, Response Calculator. Under each tab, you will see the related reports. When there are multiple charts, the chart on the left displays historical data, while the chart on the right shows the current collection year. By default, the data will display in bar charts. You can choose to view the same data in a line graph. An Export to Excel button available on the Reports Pages tables allows you to download an export of the data in Excel format. The file will show in your browser's downloads bar and be available to view and save. Thank you for viewing this video tutorial. For additional help, search the user guide or refer to the Access Nevada Help menu.